Good morning, dental professionals out there. This is Dr. Leath, and this morning I'd like to talk about the 2-minute rule. Well, it's not really a rule, it's really a guideline, but when a new patient calls your office, give them an appointment within 2 minutes of that initial phone call. Think about it. Let's say you call up for a hair appointment. Let's say you're on this call for 3, 4, 5 minutes and you still don't have the appointment that you called for. And you're answering all these questions about your address and your social security number and your insurance card. Now, I'm not saying thanks for calling blank dental, when would you like to come in? I'm saying, address the patient, kind of pre-qualify them, make sure that you know that they have an insurance that your office utilizes their benefits, whether that's in or out of network. But it doesn't take longer than 2 minutes to do that. You say, will you be utilizing insurance? They say yes. They say, great. We'll get to that later, but let's first set you up with an appointment. That is where you've lessened the frustration. You've lessened the friction between yourself and the caller, the prospective new patient, if you will. It goes so much further with them being happy. You get them the appointment that they need and they want, and then you say, okay, let me ask, do you mind if I ask you a few more questions? Great. Let's talk about your insurance. And then whatever that looks like for you and for your office. But it's the new patient 2-minute rule. Get them the appointment that they called for within the first 2 minutes if you can, and your conversation thereafter will be met with greater appreciation, and the conversation and the whole tone of the conversation changes. Truly, it does. So try that, institute that, and I think you will find a happier team and happier patients.